everyone, welcome to Bali. I'm Trevor with Balitecture. We specialize in villa development and investments. Today, I'm somewhere extra special. This is the Uluwatu Eco Retreat, close to Tanalat, Bali, and this place is incredible. So before we get started here, make sure and like and subscribe for future videos, and let's get started. So the Uluwatu Eco Retreat is on its own secluded area. It's serene, it's quiet, it's a retreat. It's where you can come and decompress or come here for yoga. Its focus is sustainability. So there's low footprint, and there's even a project to have the stream that runs by power a turbine that will help power the resort here. So let's go ahead and jump in. I think first I'm going to show you the rooms. The rooms are incredible here. It's luxury, so it's low footprint, but it is absolute luxury in the middle of an amazingly beautiful place. So follow me. So it kind of goes without saying, but we got to point out that the architecture is incredible here. So it's all bamboo, but it's mixed with stone. So it's solid. You know, it's really solid. But the architecture is amazing. I feel like I'm in like an Indonesian Lord of the Rings or something like that here in the Hobbit Shire. So, you know, come on in and check this out. We are I'm hit with nice air conditioning right away. So that's appreciated because it's pretty hot outside. So look at these rooms. I mean, this is nicer than most hotel rooms I've ever seen, where we've got really well done. This is refined, high quality bamboo used in mix with stone here. And so we've got really nice lighting, really nice furnishing. Like, you just notice like the furniture is really high quality, modern design, but obviously with that natural feel with all the bamboo surrounding you. So, and then we look out, we see jungle in front of us and have our own private pool here. This bathroom is next level, especially when you're in technically a bamboo hut, but this is the nicest bamboo hut you'll ever see. So, but look at this tub. So have you ever seen a wooden bathtub like that? Comment below if you've seen something like that. That is just amazing. The craftsmanship is unreal here. So we're still outside too, or, you know, there's still open air, so there's still that flow of the indoors, outdoors here, but you're surrounded, you're private here. And I love this massive stone sink, or the stone carved sink here. They set up these rooms just like a hotel with full service. You know, there's staff that provides room service. We've got a coffee station here, fridge, and safe. So it's really set up properly like a commercial hotel, but you feel like you're in something different. So this is nice. Yeah, I love this pool. It's designed in such a cool way. It's not small either. I mean, this is deep. I'm not going to jump in it today, but I've also noticed that the bungalows are arranged in such a way where you do have privacy. So you have your own deck here, but it's kind of hard to see your neighbors. So it seems like they put a lot of thought into this. That about does it for this room. There are a couple other rooms that are different sizes, but you know, this is just the beginning. There's so much to see in this resort. Let's just do a little tour around. All right, so we're coming up here to the yoga pavilion, and just like, I just love the fact that, I mean, this is the biggest bamboo I've ever seen. And the design's incredible. So we're in the middle of the yoga pavilion here, and we've got the river running next to here, and so we're actually on the edge of probably a 20-meter cliff here. So we've got a lot of breeze coming through, and it's just a really peaceful spot. Come check out this view too. This is where we get a nice, probably the best view of the whole resort as much as we can. There's a lot of trees here, so you see the tips of the roofs behind me, but we've got the massage studio down there, and then a dining area, and it's pretty incredible. So check out this entrance. This place makes me feel like I'm in the middle of a movie or a video game or something like that. I feel like there should be fairies dancing around the chili plants. This is so cool. The woodwork here is incredible. And if you notice these two sculptures here, it looks like stone, but it's actually wood carving. I have never seen anything like this before. I've never seen anything like it. I've seen sculptures in Bali, but these are amazing. So I love it. Just one piece of wood that's carved out. It's crazy. It's awesome. Let's come through. I can't get over how like this is all bamboo. I've never been in anything like this. It's crazy. And some more amazing wood sculptures that I'm walking around. And I feel like I'm in like a total other world here. So we've got this amazing spiral staircase that goes down. Everything's bamboo. And some chairs here to hang out. And we've got an amazing view. The stream here, the pool here. Yeah, this place is so impressive. So in this central area, we have two of the larger bedroom options that, so they have these amazing oval doors that open up and then they shoot out like that, and there's windows and stuff. And this is the most epic tree house that you've ever been in. That's what this place is. It's Peter Pan's ultimate Balinese tree house. It's awesome. So. All right, these stairs are awesome. All right, so we're on the ground floor here. It's where there's a dining area. We've got the pool, we've got a couple lounge areas. So here's the treehouse massage spa. That's a really hard thing to say. But it looks like somebody's up there getting a massage now, so we'll just keep walking by. So as we walk by the pool, there's some incredible wall carvings. So you actually feel like you're in this ancient temple as you walk by here. So we've got the wine cave right here. But up above us is the yoga pavilion here. So we've got this huge cliff and then that goes down to the river. And there is river access. So I come back, but this is I think the most amazing feature. We've got this massive Buddha carving. All right, well that does it for the tour of Uluwatu Eco Retreat. I think we'll let the guests decompress. That's what they're here to do. And if you are interested in booking Uluwatu, we'll leave a link below where you can contact us for some more information. And if you're interested in seeing more Villa Tour videos, make sure and like and subscribe. I'm Trevor Hawley here in Bali, and we'll see you again on another Villa Tour. Cheers.